How to find your Facebook username and profile link. So step 1, you'll need to launch your Facebook. Step 2, go to your profile on the top right. Step 3, open your profile. Step 4, click on this 3 dots, and then step 5, click on profile link. So once you click on it, it will automatically copy your profile link and you can paste it or send it to wherever or whoever you want. So to check your username, you can paste it somewhere on your notes or someone to send. And once you have pasted it, as you can see, the highlighted part is that will be your username. And that's how you can find your profile link or copy your profile link. Another method to find your username is opening your Facebook, and once you open your settings here and go to this account center, you click on the profile, click on your profile and go to username. You can find your username right here, and that's how you can find your username as well. Thank you for watching.